Hey pack leaders, this is Ian. I want to do a video to show you what you need to do if your bot user interface is running kind of slow. So let me go ahead and switch over and first kind of give credit to who credit's due. Fluido Canada here. He found a way to figure out how to make it faster. So there's this Windows Defender antivirus scanner that kind of lights up and uses a lot of resources when the bot's running. It kind of gets flagged as a false flag because the bot can control a browser and do like virus-like capabilities, but it's not a virus, and so we're gonna have to disable this in order to speed things up. Okay, so we're gonna run the dialog here and regedit, and then we're gonna go to this hlocal software policies Microsoft Windows Defender. Okay, so I'm gonna refer this back and forth. I'm gonna switch to my other one here, and we're gonna go ahead and run regedit. So we type right here, run. Once that's done, type in regedit, which is right there. Hit OK, and then this will pop up. So I believe it's HKey, local machine, software, Microsoft, I believe. Let's see. I need to refer back. Local machine, software policies. Oh, software policies. Okay, software policies. So you might want to write that down. Software policies, Microsoft. And then if you don't see a new Windows, I believe. No. Maybe not. Policies and what else? Policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. Okay, there it goes. Now we don't see a Windows Defender there, right? So what we're gonna do is we're going to create it. So let's go ahead and copy that. Switch back over. I'm gonna go to Microsoft and we call new key and paste that in there. Make sure we click on it, and then this will be the Windows Defender, and we'll have a new string value. And let's see what the string value is. It is disable anti-spyware. Okay, and it will set a value to 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Windows disable anti-spyware. Click on it. Set the value to 1. Done. And that's pretty much it. Okay, and then you're gonna have to restart your computer. Right now, it's kind of a little laggy right now, right? So we're gonna restart your computer, and you can't really do anything. Click on start, and then restart the computer. And then once that's there, that should take care of it. Let me make sure that the I see the problem here with the anti-malware. There's using up 27% of the CPU and using a lot of resources just to I don't know, filter out whatever this is. So we're gonna disable this thing here. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Restart, and that should take care of your slow UI. Okay, thanks for watching.